as a rugby player, and in particular as a hooker on a rugby field, your eyesight has to be, well, perfect, ideally. Up until this year, I had to battle with contact lenses to achieve that. But obviously, laser eye surgery has helped with that in that degree greatly. I say in particular for hookers because obviously we throw the ball into the line-out and therefore have to be able to have good depth perception and good vision, obviously, then to see exactly where our jumpers are going up in the air. Before, my main problem was with contact lenses and the fact that, you know, in a mall, in a ruck, when you're playing against some teams, people will go for your eyes with their fingers, just obviously try and put you off your game. And for me, certainly that, you know, losing a contact lens was quite a common occurrence. I got to the point where it was getting so commonplace that I had to start looking into the other solutions, better solutions for that, and that's when I sort of turned to laser eye surgery. It was something I was nervous about. I think most people are nervous about the thought of someone getting in there with your eyes. There are a lot of perceived downsides. You know, I thought, well, are the risks worth the reward? It took a lot of research for me to become comfortable with the fact that actually it's not as new a science as maybe it once was, and that it's been developed quite a lot. There's been a lot of good feedback, and again, if you go for the right people, the right firm, or a reputable firm like Advanced Vision Care, then there's no problems at all, really. I mean, their percentages were incredible. And that was really what I just wanted to appease with myself. The next part for me was actually coming down and meeting the guys involved. And for me, that was really important because you wanted to get that right feel from them. Individually, I wanted to meet Mr. Pillai and just see if I liked him, see if he filled me with confidence, and thankfully he did. I think on the particular day where I had my surgery done, I went back to the hotel and slept for a couple hours, woke up, and even with my slightly hilarious goggles that I had to wear for sleeping in, I was able to watch. There was a rugby game on. I was able to actually sit up and watch that in bed, and I kind of thought, right, okay, I maybe can't see everything absolutely perfectly, but in that I'm watching TV a few hours after my operation, that's not too bad. After that, you know, the aftercare service is phenomenal. You get checked up regularly, and they tell you, you know, how you're progressing, and you can actually feel the progression as well yourself, obviously, as your sight improves. I had a minimal discomfort. It was more, I think someone's described it as having a grain of sand in your eye for, I think, a week, and then after that, really, with the drops, everything was fine. From that point onwards, your eyesight just gets better and better and better, and thankfully I've finished up with perfect eyesight. Every time I mess up a line out or something like that, everyone will go, oh, well, there you go, the laser eye surgery didn't obviously work out that well. But from a personal point of view, I know that in terms of preparation for games, I don't have to worry about contact lenses getting knocked out. I don't have to worry about making sure I've got enough contact lenses with me. And when you're trying to perform at the highest level, it's those little things that actually do make the difference, because everyone's competing right up there. I think the best thing I can say about it is you don't even remember that you had to wear glasses or contact lenses, and that's really the key. I mean, although the initial thing was to get it for rugby, and that was the main cause, it's being able to wake up in the morning and not have to reach for glasses. It's going to bed at night without your eyes absolutely aching because your contact lenses have been in too long. It's all the wee things like that that just make the difference, I think. The service I received from Advanced Vision Care was absolutely outstanding, and I couldn't recommend them highly enough to anyone.